Hair fall has become quite common among several people that is found to be due to several problems like oily scalp, imbalance of hormones, hereditary, irregularity in diet, dandruff, change of water and too much stress. Before starting efforts to treat hair fall, it is necessary to find the actual reason for this hair fall happening, and once the reason has been found, there are some natural treatments available that is sure to work against hair loss. Hence we have put together these natural solutions in order to prepare your hair to fight against hair fall with positive results. Onion juice. This is a proven fact that onion juice is known to give positive results in treating hair fall problems. There are very few people who are aware of the fact that it is this juice which is used in several tonics which have been exclusively made to treat hair loss. Onion juice also is known to be clinically true in treating hair fall, since it works as stimulant in growth of hair by increasing the blood circulation in scalp. Apart from this, onion juice is also known to work as an antiseptic by cleansing the scalp. Preparation method of this juice is given below. 1. Take 1 large onion in blender to make into juice, which has to be later filtered to extract juice without pulp so that it will be easy to apply on scalp for about an hour. 2. Though very strong and pungent in odor, onion can also be used in this form with rose water, which has to be later washed off after about an hour with herbal shampoo that does not have sodium lauryl sulfate. 3. For this pack to work effectively, it is suggested to wait for about 2 to 3 weeks. Based on the severity of hair fall, it is suggested to increase its usage in a week. Coriander juice. Coriander, also known as cilantro, is one such other juice like onion that is said to boost hair growth and fighting against hair fall, providing hair with all the necessary nutrients which enable in proper growth. Here we provide you with the way in which it can be prepared and used, which are given below. 1. Make paste with freshly chopped coriander leaves and water, which has to be made to be of juice consistency that has to be filtered to get juice that is easily applied on the scalp for about an hour before shampooing it off. 2. To increase the benefits being extracted from this juice, it is suggested to use them with other type of packs too. For this juice to show its effect, it is necessary to give it nearly 2 to 3 weeks of time and can be used couple of times in a week or month based on the density at which hair fall occurs. Fenugreek seeds with yogurt. This combination is said to work best for people suffering from dandruff and hair fall issues. Hair growth is ensured with the presence of protein and nicotinic acid in fenugreek seeds, also known as mathi seeds. People who have oily scalp are suggested to replace yogurt with water or aloe vera juice to make paste for easy application on scalp. Yogurt in this mixture is known to provide nourishment and acts as conditioner for dry scalp. Process in preparation of this paste is given below. 1. Mix fenugreek powder with yogurt based on the hair length to make paste, which can be later applied on the scalp to cover entire hair so that it will be conditioned and left so for about an hour, but later has to be washed off with herbal shampoo. 2. For this paste to show its result, it might take about 2 to 3 weeks and has to be used couple of times every week to give the desired output.